For an economy consisting of households and businesses only, which of the following is consistent with the circular flow of income and production? So here is a diagram of the circular flow model. And households in the circular flow model provide land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So basically, like resources to businesses, and businesses produce goods and services that the households consume, and in return, businesses for the efforts of the households to produce goods and services provide them with rent, wages, interest, and profits. You can ignore the factor and product market for the purposes of this question. So we just need to find out which statement aligns with the circular flow model of income and production. So households are producers of goods and services and consumers of resources. No, households are not producers of goods and services. The businesses produce the goods and services. So A is incorrect. B says households are users of resources and businesses are sources of savings. So households do not use resources, the businesses do. And although businesses can have savings, savings doesn't really apply in the circular flow model. Savings aren't flowing from one person to another. So B is incorrect. C says households are suppliers of resources and consumers of goods and services. This is true. Households consume the goods and services made by businesses, and they supply resources like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship to businesses. So C is likely the answer, but let's check the rest. D says businesses are users of taxes and households are sources of taxes. So so businesses aren't users of taxes. Users of taxes are generally the government. Businesses can be subsidized, but that isn't the case all the time. So, no, businesses aren't users of taxes. E says businesses are suppliers of resources and consumers of goods and services. No, the households consume goods and services, and the households are also the ones that supply resources like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. So C is correct. Households supply resources and consume goods and services.